Shortcut Master. Learn easy, work faster. At Shortcut Master, we created a tool for you to learn Adobe Photoshop shortcuts easily during your work without any extra effort. Let me show you how it works, and also we will create a mockup for this billboard that you can see on the screen. Let's start with changing the image size. Shortcut Master shows you the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-I. Now we change the size. That fits us well. Create a new layer. We see a shortcut Shift-Ctrl-N that could have been used to create the layer, and we paste the picture that we want to use. Let's make the picture smaller, as our billboard is a bit smaller than the picture. Select the picture, cut it out, and go to Filters, Vanishing Point. Now we need to create some dots on the canvas where we will put the picture. Zoom in, so you could adjust the points on the edges. Now let's zoom out and paste our picture into the canvas. Now when we move it, it will attach to the new grid, and we need to make it a bit smaller. Hold Shift while making it smaller, so all the edges are changed proportionally. Our mockup is on the billboard. We have one more step under FX, Blending Options. In Underlying Layer, we hold Option and click on the arrows, and those arrows become two arrows, and we drag the left one to the right and the right one to the left, so the underlying layer will be revealed. And now you can see the lights, a little bit of underlying layer, and our mockup is done. Shortcut Master. Learn easy, work faster. By the way, you can download Shortcut Master for free on our link below. Thank you for your attention.